Rental screen installation process. Step 1. Prepare all installation accessories. For example, LED cabinets, cables, signal cables, screws, connectors, tools, mounting brackets or booms. Step 2. Each LED cabinet has quick locks on the left and top sides. Use quick locks to connect adjacent LED cabinets, and use connectors and screws to connect LED cabinets to brackets. Step 3. Use cable aviation plugs and RJ45 signal aviation plugs to connect LED cabinets. Step 4. Plug one end of the 10-meter main cable into the socket and the other end into the LED cabinet. Plug one end of the 10-meter main network cable into the LED cabinet and the other end into the video processor or asynchronous player.